Hi friends, today we are discussing Structural Analysis 3 Analysis of Continuous Beam by Stiffness Method Physical Approach Problem number 3. Analyze the continuous beam shown in the figure by stiffness method if the downward settlement of support at B and C in kilonewton meter are 2000 by EI and 1000 by EI respectively. In the previous questions, we doesn't had any downward settlements, but in this question, we have to consider the downward settlements. As a first step, we need to find the degree of kinematic indeterminacy using the equation 3j minus r plus m, where j is the number of joints, r the number of reactions, and m the number of members. Here we have 3 number of joints, 5 reactions, and 2 members, thus getting a degree of kinematic indeterminacy as 2. The rotations at B and C, theta b and theta c, are the two independent displacement components taken. Draw the coordinates. Since we have the support settlements, we also have to draw the support settlements. At B, we have a settlement of 2000 by EI, and at C, we have a support settlement of 1000 by EI. The next step is to find the stiffness matrix. K11, that is, the effect on coordinate 1 due to the unit displacement at coordinate 1. Since it have both the effect of AB and BC, we need to add up the values, thus getting a value 0.8 EI. K21, effect on coordinate 2 due to the unit displacement at coordinate 1. Since it is at far, we need to consider the equation 2EI by L, thus getting a value 0.2 EI. Similarly, we have to find the values of K12 and K22. We'll get the matrix as 0.8 EI, 0.2 EI, 0.2 EI, 0.4 EI. We doesn't have any external load, so the values of P1 equal to P2 will be equal to 0. The next step is to find the fixed end moments. M dash AB. We only have point loads, so we have to consider the equation MA equal to MB equal to PL by 8. M dash AB equal to 240 into 10 by 8 equal to 300 kilonewton meter. The negative sign is because here the direction is anti-clockwise. M dash BA equal to positive 300 kilonewton meter. Here the direction is clockwise. M dash BC equal to 120 into 10 by 8 equal to minus 150 kilonewton meter. The negative sign due to the anti-clockwise direction. M dash CB is equal to positive 150 kilonewton meter. We have support settlements here, so the additional fixed end moments due to settlement of supports should be found. So the equation to find this is M double dash equal to 6 EI delta by L square. Consider the member AB. M double dash AB. Here for the member AB, the settlement is on the right side. When right is down, we have to consider it as negative. The direction is anti-clockwise, so we have to consider the value as negative. So M double dash AB equal to minus 6 EI by 10 square into the value delta 2000 by EI, thus getting a value minus 120 kilonewton meter. M double dash BA equal to minus 120 kilonewton meter. In case of the member BC, we have the support settlements on the left side. So left down, it will be positive since it is clockwise in direction. So the value will be 60 kilonewton meter. Here the value of delta here should be relative settlement, not the total settlement. The relative settlement have to be considered. This value is the relative settlements. We should not consider the total settlements here. So in order to get the relative settlements, the value will be 2000 by EI minus 1000 by EI. That is the displacement of C with respect to B. So find the values of M double dash BC and M double dash CB. Therefore, force P1 dash and P2 dash at coordinates 1 and 2 for the fixed end conditions are P1 dash. That is, P1 dash will have the effect of both the members BA and BC. That is, BA 300 plus minus 120 minus 150 plus minus 120 plus 60. 300 plus minus 150 plus minus 120 plus 60 equal to 90 kilonewton meter. P2 dash will be 150 plus 60. That is, it only have the effect of CB. 150 plus 60 equal to 210 kilonewton meter. Next, we have to consider the equation delta equal to minus K matrix inverse into P dash matrix, thus getting the values of rotations theta B and theta C. Next, we have to find the moments using the slope deflection equation by equating the values. Here we will have the value delta since we have support settlements. Find the moments due to the applied loads and rho the PMD, thus completing the question. Hope you understood. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe and recommend Solve Civil. Thank you.